students, today we will be doing exercise 4.7 and in this exercise we will be doing the column multiplication, and I have already told you how to do the column multiplication sums. So let's get started. The first question is multiply and fill in the boxes, and we will be doing these three questions in the book only. Fine. So let's get started. 24 multiply by 18. Now first of all we will multiply the ones. 8 fours are 32. 2 we will write here and 3 will get carried over. Now we will multiply the tens. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 9 we will write here at the tens place and 1 next to it. Fine. On the left side of 9. Now we will put a cross here. Now what does this cross means? This means that we are done with the ones place and now we have to multiply the number which is before it, that is at the tens place. Now first of all let us multiply it by ones. 1 fours are 4. Then tens. 1 twos are 2. And now these two, first of all this line and then the numbers in this line, these are called partial products, and now we will add these partial products. Fine. So here we have 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 we will write here and 1 will get carried over. 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 is 4. So 24 multiplied by 18 is 432. Now the next sum, it is 32 multiplied by 26. Now let us first of all multiply the ones. 6 twos are 12. 2 here and 1 will get carried over to the tens place. Now 6 threes are 18 plus 1 19. Now 9 here below it and 1 we will write here. Now put a cross here. Why? Because we are done with the digit at the ones place. Now we have to move on to the tens place. So we will put a cross at the ones place. Now 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Now these are the partial products. Now we will add them. Here we will have 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 we will write here and 1 will get carried over. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8. So 32 multiplied by 26 is 832. Now the next sum, 57 multiplied by 43. First of all we will multiply it by the digit at the ones place. 3 sevens are 21. 1 we will write here and 2 will get carried over to the next place. 3 fives are 15 plus 2, 17. 7 here and 1 before it on the left side. Now we are done with the ones place. So let us put a cross here because it's the turn of the tens place. 4 sevens are 28. 8 here and 2 will get carried over to the next place. Now 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 2, how much? 22. So 2 we will write here and next 2 will get carried over here. Now we have the partial products and now we will add them. 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3 plus this carry is 4 and this 2. So the answer is 2451. Now the next question is again multiply. We are given with two numbers that we have to multiply. In some of the cases we have to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Fine. And in some of the cases we have to multiply a 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So method will be same as we have done here. But out of these parts I will be doing only few parts for you. Rest the parts which I am going to do and the remaining parts you have to do on your own. Fine. So let us get started. Now the first part which I am going to do is part number 4, that is 52 multiplied by 14. Now we have to write it like this. Now the number which is before the sign of multiplication, it is called multiplicand, and the number after the sign of multiplication is called multiplier. This I have already told you. So multiplicand is always written on the top and multiplier is always written at the bottom. Now let us multiply. First of all let us multiply with the digit at ones place. 4 twos are 8. 4 5s is 20. So 0 will come here and 2 next to it. Now we are done with the ones place. So let us put a cross here. Now 1 2s are 2. So it will come here, and 1 5s are 5. It will come here. So you have to remember that you need to write the digit under the digit. Fine, you can't write here and there haphazardly. Okay, you need to just remember this thing. You have to move on step by step. Fine. Now these are the partial products and we have to add them. 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, this is the sign of therefore which we use in mathematics. 52 multiplied by 14 is 728. Now the next part. Next which I am going to do is part number 6. 5 you have to do on your own. Now 59 multiplied by 23. 59 is the multiplicand and 23 is the multiplier, the number by which we have to multiply. So let us do it. 3 9s are 27. 7 we will write here and 2 will get carried over. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17. So 7 will come here and 1 we will write next to it. Now we are done with the ones place, that is the digit which is 3. Now it's the turn of the tens place and the digit is 2. So 2 9s are 18. 8 we will write here, and if we are multiplying 2 9s are 2 and 9, so carry will come here. Fine. So 2 5s are 10 plus this carry is 11. So 1 here and 1 next to it. Fine. Now let us add the partial products. 7 plus 8 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus this carry 3 and this 1. Therefore 59 multiplied by 23 is 1357, means 1357. Now the next which I am going to do is part number 10. So rest, the remaining part, that is 7, 8 and 9 you will be doing on your own. 172 multiplied by 28. So 172 is the multiplicand and 28 is the multiplier. So let us now multiply it. 8 2s are 16. 6 here. 1 will get carried over to the next place. 8 7s are 56 plus 1 is 57. So 7 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. Now 8 1s are 8 plus 5. It is 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 next to it. Always remember. Now let us put a cross here because we are done with the digit at the ones place. Now it's the turn of tens place. So 2 2s are 4. Now where we will write 4? Here we have cross. So we'll write 4. If we are multiplying this thing with the ones, so the number will come at tens in the second partial product. Now 2 7s are 14. So where will 4 come? Here, and 1 carry next to it. So 2 1s are 2 plus this carry 3. Now we will add the partial products. 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 we will write here, 1 carry. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Therefore, 172 multiplied by 28 is 4816, means 4816. Now, the last part which I am going to do for you is part number 13. 14, 15, 16 and before that 11 and 12 you will be doing on your own. Now it is 443 multiplied by 16. So 443 is the multiplicand and 16 is the multiplier. So let us find the products. 6 3s are 18. 8 we will write here and 1 carry at the next place. 6 4s are 24 plus this carry. It's 25. So 5 we are going to write here and 2 will get carried over to the next place. That is here. Now 6 4s are 24 plus 2 carry is 26. So 6 we are going to write here below it and 2 next to it, means before this number. Now let us put a cross here because we are done with the digit at the ones place. Now it's the turn of tens place. 1 3s are 3. So where we are going to write it? Here, because here we are done and here we have put a cross. Now 1 4s are 4. So where we have to write it? Just before 3. Again 1 4s are 4 here. Now we will add the partial products. 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 here and 1 will get carried over here. Now 2 plus 4, 6 plus this carry is 7. Therefore 443 multiplied by 16, the answer means the product is 7088. 7088. So dear students, I hope you would have understood all the questions which I have done for you, and now you will be doing the remaining questions on your own.